Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Gigi from Gigi's. Today what I'm going to be doing for y'all is a slime collection. I have 4 slimes that are my best favorite, and yeah, I made new slimes for y'all, so let's do this. First off, we have this one. It's a tiny slime. I think it's good. The next slime is this slime. Still stretching. So yeah, that's that slime. Showed too much of that. There we go. Okay. Next slime is this one. And my favorite one is over here. I love this one. Not this one, guys. It's the last one. I have more slime than this. So that's that slime. Here's my favorite one. No. Hold on, guys. Okay. This is the bomb rage. Hold on, let me try that again. That was like a fail. Like a fail. Wait, really? Okay. Ready? I'm gonna do it from standing up. Hold on. Okay, ready? I gotta do this right. That was like a total fail. That was a total fail. Like, I don't even know what to say like right now. So yeah, I love this slime. And yeah, here it is. I can show you the other one, but that one's just horrible. Like, you're gonna hate that. It's gonna go a little bit lower, so I'm only gonna grab a little because this is like a lot of slime, which is, it's horrible, so I don't know how much to get. I don't know, I should get this much. I don't like this slime, but it just rips. I don't. Okay, that's the slime. And there's a lot more. See, it's like a total bunch of it. It does poke nicely though, and it does fold good. But that's that slime. We're gonna change the color of the slimes, and if you don't know what I mean, then you're about to find out. So this color is gonna change. with nail polish because I seem to have two. So we're gonna put a little bit of red. I don't know. It seems weird. But yeah. I seem sorry about that, guys. I was doing something there, but then it just fell. Great. It's on my fingers. Oh no. Who cares? That's what happens to slime when you make slime, so. I don't know, it's turning out good. Like, look at that red shade. This was pink. They're all literally so pink that I could die right now. Why does that keep on happening? I don't know, but this one's stretchy. Like, it's turning into a red. But I need more. So I'm gonna get more. Okay, I'm running out with this. So I should probably mix. I don't know. This is good enough. Like, really. Now we have this slime. We're gonna do this pinkish. I know, guys, it's already pink, but who cares? This is like a purplish kind. I don't know, it's like a purple. I don't use this very much. I like red the most, but that's why most of it, there's a lot coming out. I never use it. Ooh, that's a lot that came out. You want to see how much came out? It's a lot. It's a lot, dang. Ew, I hope this doesn't get on me. I hope I'm not purple in the morning. Oh, okay. I'm done. Oh, no. Oh, it got on me. Luckily, the slime peels off, but it's not gonna, see? Peels off. It's getting off me. It's not like a grown-up. When you, like, put it on. Did you get in the shower? Hold on. So, guys, I'm sorry. I gotta get in the shower. This is the end of this week's video. And I hope you enjoy. So, yeah. Goodbye. Peace.